All right, folks, here's 3 chart requests from over here inside the Discord. We're taking these right here from the chart request thread. If you guys have chart requests, just get them in right here. We are taking them right from the chat. The first one we're looking at is Novo Disc, okay? NVO is the ticker. I really like this name. You guys can see that every time we are down below these EMA ribbons, we're in a downtrend. When we break out of them, that's when we see them move higher. So this thing's been in a downtrend since back here in January, sold all the way off down here to 34. And you can see now these EMA ribbons, those are crossing over. So that's actually a bullish indication. It indicates that the bulls are stepping into control. This actually had a daily dot here show up yesterday on Thursday, right there at around 45. We have a long range to go back up here to the red zone. The red zone's always going to be our sell target here. Again, we want to sell the red dot in the red zone. The last one of those we got, the last time we hit the red zone on this was all the way back here in 2024. This stock is sold off very hard. These guys make the pill, the weight loss drug Ozempic. They make a ton of money. Right, they're making $11 billion a quarter, but look at their stock. It's down from 140 all the way down here to 45. We like stocks that are beat up like this. I think this thing looks very, very bullish here, up above that $42 level. Easy stop loss at 42 on this one. I would definitely be a buyer of that with a target of 70 to 80. The next one's going to be Snow. This one had a huge move this week off of its earnings. They barely beat their earnings, but you could see how now they've gapped up here into the red zone. So we would not be chasing this, right? We would have got in. Okay, our buy signal comes here based on the weekly. So the last one we got was right here in April, right there around 136. I mean, you're up over 100% now, or close to 100% if you entered on this signal. If you entered on this signal back in March, you got in right there around 160. You're still up. Again, these are 1 to 6 month swing trades. So you had the opportunity to buy here at 160. You had the opportunity to buy down here at 130. So your average cost should be around 155 off of those buy signals. And now it's ripping. But we can see that we are up here in the red zone now. Okay, we don't want to be buying up here in the red zone. I know everyone's excited about it now, but again, we were buyers down here in this area. So once it hits the red zone, we take profit. So I'd be a profit taker here of Snowflake. And then the last one we're looking at here today in this video is going to be UPST. Okay, so UPST got our buy signal down here in March. That came at 26. We got another one this week right here at around 30. It's sitting at 33 and pushing up. Okay, our target again is always up here in the red zone. We want to sell the red dot in the red zone on the daily chart. Okay, that came right back there at $85. Meanwhile, that sold off for the last 8 months from 85 all the way down to 24. So I like this one. Again, EMAs are crossing. That one looks good for a move back up there to the red zone between 70 and 90. If you guys do not have these indicators, you guys can actually download them right over here in the Discord under the trading indicator tab.